Hi internet marketers, in today's video we're going to talk about easy tags for lead generation inside of Thrive Architect. I'm Mike Lucas, and if this is your first time to the channel, hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated for future videos, and if you like this video then I'd appreciate you subscribing, liking and commenting. I've also dropped a link in the description below to a simple step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to take my internet marketing to the next level, and it's something that you could use too, so check out that link. With that said, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you just how easy it is to add tags to a lead generation form inside of Thrive Architect. Okay guys, so here we are inside my WordPress dashboard, and need to make sure obviously that you have got Thrive Architect installed, because that's what we're going to use to add tags to a lead generation form. So I have this demo page set up and I'm going to launch it with Thrive Architect. Shouldn't take too long, and I'll show you where I get that template from as well. It's a template that's in the library of Thrive themes. Okay, so you don't reload. Right, here we go. So we come over to the right hand side, click on the plus. Sorry, no we don't. We click on the cloud to change the template, and this is the template that I'm using at the moment. And there's 4 templates there in this review set of template pages. So if you wanted to change another, select another template, you just simply click on it and to the green binding box with the tick, come down there, choose template. But I'm sticking with this one that I have. So what we need is obviously a lead capture form, and such as one like this. And what I'm going to do is install another capture page, probably let's just say around here somewhere, just to demo how easy adding tags has become. So what we need to do is click this plus box to add an element, and what we want is a list building element. So we need to come down to building, oops, gone past it, building blocks, and we're looking for a list generation, lead generation, sorry. So click that and just drag that over here, and there we have a lead generation box added. And what I like to do, I like to delete the name field, because my approach is I want to make it as easy as possible for people to add themselves to my list, and the least amount of hoops you have, in my opinion, is better. So I'm going to come over to the right hand side here on this menu side, then got the options of lead generation, and again you got your breadcrumb links at the top so you can see where you are. We're on the lead generation, and as you can see here you've got your name field and your email field. So I'm just going to delete the name, okay, and we're left with just the email field. So what we need to do to add tags directly inside of Thrive Architect, just come up here, add a connection, and as you can see I have get response and MailChimp added. Now a quick caveat here, get response, who's actually my main autoresponder service, doesn't have the ability to add tags at the time of this recording inside of Thrive theme. So I'm just going to select get response now, just so that I can show you what happens, so you get to see the difference. So you can see over here, all we have inside of Thrive is to add the day cycle. Well, that's already set inside of get response, so there's no real advantage here to doing it. So that's all you can do with get response at the moment inside of Thrive Architect, and that's no good for what I want to show you, which is tags. So I'm going to come back up and add another connection. Where are we? Let's go back, and I'm going to select MailChimp, which is another autoresponder service I have. So I'll select MailChimp, and as you can see, let me just tilt my screen back a bit. We come down here and you can add tags. So I would sort of add here product 3. So you can go product 3, so that when someone signs up, you know that they've signed for product 3. Okay? And consequently, what you can do, you can come down and you can put a sign up under each of these products and tag them, so that you know where your visitor is signing up from and what they've actually signed up for directly. Let me just highlight that again, click on the box, and you get your option box jump up here, open up here on the right hand side, and you can add whatever you like in here. We just select it again so we can show you MailChimp, and that tag's disappeared because I didn't click apply. So we go product 3, and put as many tags in there as you like, and click apply, and that saves that tag to your, well, via the API inside of Thrive Architect, and ultimately at your autoresponder service. And that's as easy as it is to set up tracking tags inside of Thrive Architect, which saves a boatload of time, and I'd urge you to use it. It saves a load of time. And I'm Mike Lucas from mikelucasonline.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the notification bell, keep yourself updated for future videos similar to this, to do with internet marketing and affiliate marketing. Hit the subscribe button, comment and like, and don't forget the link in the description below and in the first tag comment to the simple step-by-step blueprint to take your internet marketing and affiliate marketing to the next level. So once again, I'm Mike Lucas. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.